It's so different.
When you make here, looks angry.
I can do that. Good morning. I have makeup class appointment at 11 a.m. in Hongdae. And I'm very excited to go to that class because I've never been very into makeup, so I don't know that much about it. That will be exciting to be learning something new. Afterwards, I'm thinking of getting something to eat in Hongdae, maybe doing my nails. Third day in Seoul, and I'm excited to go to the makeup session. See you!
The best shape your eyebrow is trim here and then just leave your hair here.
Yeah.
So making more gentle straight shape. You can do it.
So scary.
This one is toner. Soft texture cream or lotion. Sunscreen. Primer. This primer texture is very soft, so you can use all of your skin but very thin.
You're so much better quicker.
Cushion foundation. Tap inside your nose. Not put too much at once. Little bit layer. Tapping gentler is better. And then eyelid. This cushion has this concealer, so we're gonna cover your dark circles outside. Chin down, so you can find this dark line. That's here. Over. Redness. This. Here is remain the darkness and here redness, make it same tone. When you touch the small area, use this tip with swiping and then tap it. When you tap too much strong, it makes the stain, so you can blend in the stain also. Just gentle tap like this.
Okay.
Good. This one is for contouring along your side face. The gradation outside to the inside. When you're comparing this side and this side no white one, just gradation out to the inside. But here, making the white under your face touch first and then go inside.
Okay.
Good job. For the nose area, we can use more lighter one. I'm gonna mix these two colors. Your nose shape is short, so make a shadow the side here first. Under the eyebrow, wrapping the side nose.
That's a big difference. So mixing it.
The difference is, I did like this. You did like this. You didn't touch here.
No.
Here, your nose shape is larger than other side because the bone.
Yeah.
So you have to, closer here to make straight one line. Here is okay, but here more come inside.
It's so different.
And then when you want to touch highlighter, here also, here, make just one straight line.
Like tapping or
Tap, gentle.
how high?
Under your eye area.
Okay.
It's enough.
It's okay.
And then eyebrow. Mix two color. Light one, dark one. So light one for the in front of your eyebrow. I'm gonna start here. When you draw eyebrow, don't make the box bottom line first. Scratching and then go to up gradation.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make here more gentle.
Yeah.
So make the fake line here. And then don't go to up here because we trim here. The dark one I use. The line straight. Making the arch line. I would like gentle shape. Just ignore this one.
Upper, yeah. So use the light color first.
Light color inside. When you grab this one, release your power.
I don't remember what you did.
Here, the bottom line.
No, this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, we can Don't make here. When you make here, looks angry. Don't touch first the upside. Always underline.
What did you use to correct it?
Foundation. I think more making lower is better here.
Oh yeah.
Like this.
It's difficult.
Yeah, you can do mistakes. We can correct. Here is just the skin, not hairline. So you need darker color more here.
Okay.
And then sharp is better.
In the end.
And then I did here more making shape is better. It's not easy. We made your eyebrow color brown shade, so you can use eyebrow mascara just on your original hair. Here is crumbled your hair, so you
just spread it out.
Shaking.
So many details.
Start your eye makeup. This one is for base color. First, tapping your eyelid inside first, and then tap 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 to go up. I always touch inside, and then blending to outside is make easy to gradation. Inside first, and then go outside. Blending.
Oh, you're so good. You made it easy. This one? I can't do that. This is difficult.
Good. And then blending further. Because we're gonna draw eyeline, so making the base color longer.
Yeah.
Like this. And then your upside, your chin down. Use the tip, putting under your eye here. And then when you use like this shape, when you put inside, use like this, and then put outside, reverse.
Same one?
And blank the middle. Good job. Tap, tap, tap. Eyelash. Good, nice. Eyeliner. Mirror downside your face. Then your chin up and staring at the mirror. The best way is drawing between your eyelash, but it's not easy. If you are to draw lash line, a little bit upside is okay. Like this.
Oh, that's difficult.
When you draw the tail straight to mirror, just go outside.
I've never used eyeliner, so this is difficult. Yeah.
Above the lashes, okay. Imagine like making a dot, connecting the dot. Actually, your eye shape is not hard to drawing eyeline because you're not having the double eyeliner. So you can draw just inside your eye. Drawing thicker is okay because when you look at the straight, it's disappeared, right?
Yeah.
So you can draw like this and then drawing the outline.
Like here? Then straight?
Yeah. The important is connecting here straight because the line is go down and up. It looks upside.
Yeah.
But when you make it straight, it looks more straight line.
Yeah, like you done here.
Making the triangle shape. The tail is slim is better. This one is better.
Yeah,
because
definitely.
just follow your eye shape.
Yeah.
There is no right or wrong.
Just different styles.
Yeah.
I need to practice when I go home.
We're gonna smudge the eyeline with the eyeshadow. So putting the tip above your line. Then I'm gonna mix these two colors under your lash, mirror upside, chin down, your lash line, starting the outside, and then go inside.
I like the colors. Inside here?
It's okay.
It's not connected.
Yeah, because you didn't put the inside in a corner, putting more shadow and then gradation.
It's like painting.
And then mix this too.
From outside.
Also this brush, the shimmer, light shimmer color under your eye, here. don't go too much outside, just in the middle here.
Okay. Oh yeah, not here.
And then you put the dark one, the inside, so you don't need to touch with the shimmer inside, just
outside.
yeah, right the underneath. Just brushing into outside. Under lash, using the tip, just go down. Good job. And then before the blush, we can fix your skin. So if you can, don't touch your skin during the eye makeup. For the blush, for the young face, putting inside, making circle line is better. But your face is short, so I recommend you the shape here, side cheek, but not too much lower. And the point is here, not here. Put here first and then blending here. Side like this. Yeah.
It was difficult.
I think you can do more. You can touch here. You did like this, but I did like this. More go on.
Yeah. I guess I like the difference.
You can also put the highlighter when you use nose for the cheek. So I recommend this side for your face.
In between like the cheek and then yeah.
The why we putting the highlighter to here, your skin is for inside here and then here is go outside, so making more gentle round here also. So make here more gentle curve.
It's like a map that you have to.
For the base, your outside lip is small, so blending the outside. Color.
That's difficult.
For the base, inside to outside. If you hard to make gradation, always inside. Putting on the top the gloss, just outside.
This?
Good job. When you're done your makeup, putting this big side. So the makeup is done.
Nice.
Do you have any questions?
Do you have any tips or is it just practicing?
I told you all the tips.
Yeah,
so it's too much to
summarize.
just imagine during the class and then practice
Yeah.
yourself. You'll be professional.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
When you draw eyebrow, making here more shape, straight. When you put eye base, putting outside to upside on the line also. After you draw eyeline, smudge the brown shadow under line also. Cheek area is like this. Then highlight is putting here to here, and then here line also. Lip base color, put inside, blending. Eye shape here. Shimmer.
So I'm now done with the makeup class. Her name was Shin Young and she was so kind and sweet and patient with me because I don't know how to do makeup. She did this face and I did this side of the face, but I needed help. She said like this was makeup that Koreans do on a daily basis, and I feel like I'm going out to town. Like I feel like I have so much makeup on, but it was such a learningful lesson. I need to practice because I am so bad at it. But I really like the eyebrow shape. I like the eyebrow shape and also the nose and eyes. But the lips are very much, I feel like they definitely do much lighter color because the foundation here is very light or like whitish. It was definitely an experience and I'm glad that I did it. Now I need to go home and practice. What do you guys think of this Korean makeup? Lots of brushes. I like this color for blush because it's not too much.
하이라이트 너무 이쁘다.
그쵸?
아 이거 맨날
저 맨날
이거.
아, 이거 되게 예뻐. 아이브로우.
There's so much. So many different lips.